Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Your soul yearns growth. Seek your inner self and don't allow the world to conform you. Your soul yearns for growth through self-discovery and freedom. Therefore, be who you truly are while exploring and seeking wisdom so you may shine your gifts for a brighter humanity. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And this poem speaks for itself. Put out what you yearn for, and that's what's going to come back for you. I believe that 100%. I believe that what you truly desire from love, that's your soul. That's your soul yearning for growth. That's what it wants you to do. So why deny that? Why not follow your love? Follow what you love to do. And just follow the doors that open. Stop being stubborn and trying to force things because you think it should be a certain way. Follow the doors that open. Let God open the doors, the universe, whatever you want to call it. Because it will come to be. You just have to put it out there and believe it. Because that's what we are. I believe we are that. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.